Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial to ChatGPT. It's a large model trained by OpenAI, and today I'm going to show you how we use ChatGPT in data analysis, data cleaning, how to extract text from a string or a cell in Excel. So first of all, before we go far, when you're logging into ChatGPT, you run that is chat.openai, and we all know that ChatGPT is a state of natural language processing, which was developed by OpenAI. It is based on ChatGPT, that is generative pre-trained transformer, that is GPT in full. So this architecture was trained with massive corpus of text that is on the internet, including books, articles, and websites, and it was allowed to learn all those patterns and structures such that it can generate natural language like responses when given a wide range of prompts and questions. So let's go to ChatGPT and we see how you start logging in and doing all the other bits. So how do you do that? For the start, when you open chat.openai.com, I will put the link in the comment in the description below. It will always give you the first page as welcome to this, so you can always either sign up or you log in. So for my case, I will log in since I already have an account with ChatGPT. So if you don't have an account, you'll sign up and they will request you to verify your phone number, your country, and everything. So here I'll go sign in with Google. I'll pick my Google account I signed up with. So here we go, we have a fresh page. They first give you prompts on examples, the capabilities and the limitations. ChatGPT has also limitations. There are some prompts which it doesn't reply. Like if you say, give me ways how I can break into a bank, obviously it will detect it as a dangerous prompt and it will limit giving a response. So for now, we are going to look at how do we get formulas? How do we easily get formulas when we are dealing with data analysis? So I already have an example here of the use case. When you look at this, I have my errors. Let's say this is my data, which is not yet cleaned. They are combined errors. But what is in red is what I want to extract as a summary or as the final error I need to extract at the end of the day. So how do we do that? I'm going to prompt ChatGPT. So how do I prompt ChatGPT? I will tell it that please write an Excel formula. That is the first prompt. To extract text in. So I will check. We are extracting text. First of all, we are dealing with A2. So I will give it the prompt that we are extracting text in A2. Example. I will give it an example. So I will pick this same one, take this as an example, put it in quotes. That's my example. Then I will give it the output, which would have been the answer I require. And the output I need is starting from here up to here. So I'll put the output here. So we have given it a prompt, write an Excel formula to extract text in A2. We can say here from cell A2, example this, and then I'll tell it, put the formula in. Anyway, even if I don't tell it where the formula has to be put, I'm going to copy the formula and paste it in the cell I need. So this is enough prompt for ChatGPT to generate for you something that can extract from that text. The text does not match the goods category from the other combined text. So I'll go ahead and press enter. So ChatGPT will start generating. It does all the assuming, and at the end of the day, it gives you a formula and on top of that also it gives you an explanation to the formula, what it has done. So I'll do the copy formula. I'm not going to explain the formula now. Take it to Excel here, put it in the formula bar like this, enter. So when we look at this, we shall find that it has extracted for us the real text we needed from the long string we had, though the formula is too long. So the formula is too long, which means it's just looking at this item. But if I wanted to fill this one downwards, it will tell me that for the next one you'll not get the value, because they used when extracting here, they were looking up to for the word item code, which is not here, which was on the first one. So how do we make it uniform to all others? Give it another prompt. So I'll give it also this prompt. Now you can always go back and edit what you had given. So you can also say also in cell A3, so I'll give this, and here the output we need is, so the output here we need is just this in red. This I may not need this, so I'll tell ChatGPT that write a combined formula for the two instances. Just simple as that, enter or submit. So it is going to do the same and it will give me a formula. There we go. So the combined formula, if error substitute, so you see that it does something to, no. Here we shall not say give a combined, we can, so let's leave it that way. To extract, it will give us this, and in A3 it gives us this. So this time you see that it has gone ahead to summarize this formula in another way by looking up to for a semicolons and looking for an exclamation. So I'll copy this and take it this time here instead of the first one that had given us. Still it is going to give us the same error, because here it is looking up to looking for the semicolon and the exclamation, which is this, then it is subtracting 1. Anyway, now when we drag this one downwards like this, just this has to be a 3. Okay, then we shall take the one for 3 A3, which is this. Still we shall get the same. So though it is not accurate, but at least it gives you a hint on how you can start up with doing all this, which means here instead of a minus, you'll see how you can add the other values because it has broken from goods category. So it gives you a hint. So that is it, guys. There is a lot to do. We have a lot of videos recorded about ChatGPT, how you can use it in data analysis, data cleaning. You can go ahead and watch the videos on our channel, and please make sure that you leave your subscription, hit that notification bell such that you can get more videos like this, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.